I am Puneet Kaur Saluja, and today we're going to talk about the psychology behind effective ads. So, have you ever wondered why some ads just stay in your mind forever while some others disappear the moment you even see them? Or why you suddenly crave for a product you didn't even think you ever needed? It's not magic, it's science. To be specific, the science of psychology. Brands have mastered psychological tricks to make us buy. And today I'm going to reveal the top 3 advertising tactics that influence your buying decisions every day. First, emotion in advertising. Let's start with a fact. People make decisions based on emotions first and logic second. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a Nike ad with a list of shoe features? That's because emotional advertising creates a connection between the brand and the consumer. And when we feel that connection, we trust and remember the brand. For example, you remember Coca-Cola's Christmas ad? Always focus on nostalgia and happiness, not just the taste of the soda. So now you tell me, have you ever bought something just because an ad made you feel you really wanted and you buy it? Tactic 2.
Social proof. If everyone's buying, you want it too.
Okay. Let's talk about peer pressure, or as marketeers, we call it social proof. You see a restaurant with a long line outside and another next to it, it is completely empty. Which one do you trust more? The busy one, right? So that's social proof. If people around us like something, we naturally assume it's good. And all brands use this all the time. For example, Apple's product launches. Ever notice how they always show a huge crowd cheering at every iPhone release? It's not just a hype, it's sales strategy. This is why influencer marketing is so powerful these days. When someone you admire uses a product, you are more likely to trust it. Have you ever bought something because an influencer recommended it? Tactic 3. Scarcity and FOMO. Remember only 2 left kind of ads? Well, ever seen an ad that says, hurry, only 3 left in the stock? That's a trick. And it works. Brands create a sense of urgency so that you feel pressured to buy right now. It's called the fear of missing out, FOMO. And trust me, it's everywhere. For example, Amazon's only 2 left in stock brand banner, Black Friday sale, Prime Day sale. These sales thrive on scarcity. The more limited something seems, the more we want it. For example, concert tickets selling out within minutes because of limited availability. Be honest, how many times have you bought something just because it said limited time offer? Alright, now that you know these psychological tricks, I'm sure you will look at these ads quite differently. Let me know which tactics surprised you the most in the comments. And if you learned something here, hit that like button, subscribe my channel Content Asia for more deep dives into the world of advertising and content. Bye bye. See you soon.